Let's work with imaginary numbers. When we're working with imaginary numbers, like adding, we treat the real and imaginary parts separately. So I'm going to take the real parts of both of these numbers, 7 and 3, and I'm going to add them. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then I'm going to take the numbery bit, the coefficient, on the imaginary parts. That's 2 and 4, and I'm going to add them. 2 plus 4 is 6, and the I stays along for the ride. So this 7 plus 2i plus 3 plus 4i becomes 10 plus 6i. Next, let's look at this problem. Negative 3 plus 5i plus 4 minus 2i. I'm going to take negative 3 plus 4 and get 1. Then we're going to work with the real part, the imaginary parts, now that we've got the real parts, and that's going to be 5 minus 2, or 3. So we get 1 plus 3i. Great. Let's look at these subtraction problems. And the same thing's going to hold. 5 minus 6i minus the quantity 2 minus 10i. We're going to start with 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. And I'm going to write it out because I don't like sign errors. I'm going to get 3. Then I'm going to take a look at negative 6 minus, right? So negative 6 minus a negative 10. Negative 6 minus a negative 10, that's negative 6 plus 10, so that's 4. We get 3 plus 4i. And now for this complicated one. 3i minus the quantity 4 plus 2i minus 4 plus the quantity 2 plus 2i. Wow, there's a lot going on there. Let's start with all of the real parts. So that's this negative 4, this negative 4, and this positive 2. So I'm going to write that out. Minus 4 plus 2. That's negative 8 plus 2. That's negative 6. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the imaginary parts. 3i minus 2i plus 2i. So that's 3 minus a positive 2 plus a positive 2. That's 3. So this is going to be plus 3i. Great. We've added and subtracted with imaginary numbers. See you next video.